Alright, so we're back with another video on the Q50. This is going to be on the HKS blow-off valves without the inserts. I'll give you guys how they sound from the outside, just being on park, and interior. So if you guys want to keep being updated on the channel, on the car and the build, not just mine but more, I mentioned in my couple videos previously, make sure to subscribe, like, that'll really help a lot. Car's really dirty. It snowed where I live. You can see right there. HKS blow-off valves. And about to give you guys an exterior test on it so you guys can listen to it. So I'll set down the camera and let me know what you guys think. Yeah, that's how the HKS blow-off valve sound. Keep in mind, mine don't have the inserts on. I like more of a sleeper noise. It sounds more like without like the little high-pitched noise. And we're on for the interior type. Alright, so here's the interior. About to give you guys a small interior test, see how it sounds. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it. Do it again. I'd say it sounds pretty good. Honestly, I like this sound a lot better than with the inserts on.